you see, you have to be very careful how you translate from Yiddish into English. You talk about how difficult it is to translate from Yiddish into English. Not so long ago, I was asked to entertain at a Meshav Zakanim, an old folks' home. And don't laugh, while some of the people in these old folks' homes are pretty well up in years, they're young in mind and spirit. They take wheat germ and blackstrap molasses and safflower oil with vitamin B and what else do they take? Vitamins and minerals. A man 92 had just married a girl 18 who was looking for a house near a school. I said to this fellow, I said, you know, a thing like this can be fatal. He says, Abe, sie wird sterben, will mit noch einer, no problem. The only reason I tell you about this old folks' home, if she dies, I'll marry another one. The only reason I tell you about this old folks' home, I happened to be there on Lincoln's birthday. They were having a Lincoln's Day program, and there was a fellow making a speech. He got there, he found out they didn't understand any English. He couldn't speak Yiddish, and he wanted to make an impression. He was delivering Lincoln's Gettysburg address. But he had to have an interpreter. So Sid, would you come out here? He's going to read the Gettysburg Address one line at a time, and I'm going to translate it into Jewish as happened that day in the Meshav Zakanim. Okay, Sid, kennst lesen English? All right, then fang von Anfang.
Here we go.
That sounds like Chinese Jewish, doesn't it? Fang von Anfang. All right, fang schön an.
87 years ago,
Hat gesagt, 87 Jahre zurück,
our forefathers,
unsere vier Tates, was war schwarz? Vier Tates?
brought forth upon this continent
Haben vorgestellt, ergens in Connecticut,
a new nation,
ein neues Volk,
conceived in liberty,
sie geschwängert in Liberty, das ein kleines Städterle, Le Monticello, oder sie geschwängert in Freiheit, I don't know, ergens hat sie geschwängert.
and dedicated to the proposition
Besonders zu immer sincere, zu dem Vorschlag, wenn gemacht hat Proposition, öfter von das hat sie geschwängert, von der Proposition.
that all men are created equal.
Als alle Männer seien geboren geworden mit derselben Sache. Als steht das. Geschrieben.
The world will little note,
Die Welt wird klein aufmerksam machen,
nor long remember what we say here,
nicht lang gedenken, was wir hatten da, scheinig,
but it can never forget what we did here.
aber es kann kein Mann nicht vergessen, was wir dann gemacht, da getan. Es ist von das ist sie geschwängert, was sie hat doch getan, that's right.
And that this nation,
Und als die Volk,
of the people,
von den Menschen,
by the people,
auf den Menschen,
for the people,
von den Menschen,
shall not perish from the earth.
soll nicht verblonget werden von der Erde.